So your community is only as strong as how much they can spend. The reason why FAB was so hot was like LGBTQ people. They're very high end and they're supposed to have a lot of disposable income right now. They said they unlocked that era of people. They have a community right now that can spend a lot of disposable cash. I'll tell you another thing right now. Why do you think Korean startups want to go to the Middle East? Because the Middle East, you guys have not Africa. Why should we not go to Africa? I'll be honest. Well, you don't see any Korean startups, tech startups going to Africa, right? Right now. I mean, pretty soon maybe. The thing is that and why do you think every startup wants to go to Saudi right now? Saudi has 30 million people. UAE has 10. Only one is Emiratis. If you go to Qatar, you guys know better, right? Qatar only 300,000. So why would I want to go to a nation, that only has 300,000 native people to right now? So your community is only as strong as their disposable income, what they can spend. You can have 1 billion people, and if they're and they have no money, your community means nothing. Any other questions? I'm telling them too much about our trade secrets from